Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. It's simple. You promote other people's products. You earn a commission when someone buys through your link. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that you don't need your own product. You can start earning money right away. You can choose from many affiliate programs to find products you love. Affiliate marketing is very flexible. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection. You can also set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. Affiliate marketing is a great way to achieve financial freedom. You can earn extra income or even build a full-time business. You don't need money to start affiliate marketing. There are many free resources and platforms available. First, create a free account on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. These platforms allow you to share your affiliate links with a wide audience. Next, join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. These networks connect you with thousands of products to promote. Finally, start creating valuable content related to your chosen niche. This could be in the form of social media posts, blog articles, or even YouTube videos. Remember, the key is to be patient and consistent. It takes time to build a following and generate traffic to your affiliate links. Finding profitable affiliate products is crucial to your success. Research different niches and identify products with high demand. Look for products with good reviews and high commission rates. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your affiliate products. Create engaging content that provides value to your audience. Use a mix of text, images, and videos to capture attention. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience interested in your niche. Interact with your followers, answer their questions, and build relationships. Run contests and giveaways to incentivize people to click on your affiliate links. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationships transparently. Affiliate marketing is an excellent monetization strategy for bloggers and YouTubers. You can seamlessly integrate affiliate links into your content. Write detailed product reviews and comparisons, highlighting the benefits and features. Create tutorials or demonstrations showing how to use the product effectively. Add call to actions in your blog posts and video descriptions, encouraging viewers to check out the product using your affiliate link. Build an email list and send out newsletters with exclusive offers and promotions. Engage with your audience and answer their questions about the products you promote. Remember, building trust with your audience is crucial. Only promote products you genuinely believe in and provide honest opinions.